Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's video, we will show you how to delete clipboard history in Windows 11. Press Windows key plus V on your keyboard. Clipboard window will appear. You will see your clipboard history list. You can delete the history. You can remove the certain entries. Click on the three dots next to the entry you want to delete. Click on Delete icon. You can also clear all entries at once. Click on Clear All. The history will be cleared. There's one more way you can use. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select System from the left side list. Go to Clipboard. Look for Clear Clipboard Data option. Click on Clear. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!